The first duty of the Kenya Defence Forces remains and will continue to be the defense of our republic. Nothing dilutes that mandate, but the same capabilities that defend a modern nation also builds one. Military engineers strengthen strategic infrastructure. Military logistics move people, equipment, and relief supplies when civilian systems are overwhelmed. Military medicine saves lives when disaster or pandemic strikes. Cyber capability protects both the defense systems that we have and the digital infrastructure in banking, healthcare, transport, and government that government now depends on. Maritime capability secures our waters while it grows our trade, our fisheries, and our blue economy. Kenya has already proven this. When the nation needed disciplined execution and engineering delivered under pressure, it has called on the Kenya Defence Forces.